Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check last seen status in the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, here's something important you need to know right from the start. Signal doesn't actually have a last seen feature like you might be used to on WhatsApp or Messenger. This is because Signal prioritizes privacy above all else, so they've intentionally left out features that could reveal when users were last active. However, you can still see message statuses such as sent, delivered, and read, which give you some insight into your conversations. To check these statuses, simply tap on the conversation you want to view. Once you're inside the chat, take a look at the messages you've sent. You'll notice small check marks next to each one, and these check marks tell you the current status of your message. If you see only one check mark next to your message, this means that Signal service has received your message, but it hasn't been delivered to the recipient's device yet. This could happen if the recipient's phone is turned off or if they don't have an internet connection at the moment. If you see two check marks, that's when things get a bit more specific. Two check marks mean that your message has been successfully delivered to the recipient's device. They now have your message on their phone, though this doesn't necessarily mean they've opened or read it yet. Now, if you see two filled check marks, that's the most telling status. This indicates that the message has been read by the recipient. However, keep in mind that this only works if read receipts are enabled for both you and the person you're messaging. If either of you has disabled read receipts in your privacy settings, you won't see this confirmation. If you want to explore even more detailed information about a specific message, you can do that too. Simply long press on the message you want to check and then tap on info from the options that appear. This action opens up the message details screen where you can see comprehensive information such as exactly when the message was sent, when it was delivered, and when it was read if that information is available. This gives you a complete timeline of your message's journey. So while Signal doesn't offer a traditional last seen feature, these message status indicators still give you valuable information about your conversations while respecting everyone's privacy. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.